10:41 right now. Getting ready because I have to go run some errands with my friend. But I was gonna show you my skin routine. I've ever really shown you what I really use on my face. This is my skin right now. Not the best, but it is better than what it used to be because I'm telling you guys, my acne was terrible. This year, I just got a skincare routine, finally stepping up. I've been using this thing called, I get this from Target. I use this at night only. I bathe with this and I use this on my face in the shower. It's the only thing that ever cleared up my body acne. So I'm gonna go get some more today. This is how my arm looks like right now. It's the clearest I've ever seen it. That's right, this is the only thing that's really been working for me, and I'm buying some more. I don't know if I forgot to mention that I got it from Target, but right now, this is my morning skincare routine. It's this Cetaphil right here. I'm gonna show you guys what I use. My morning routine, my night skin routine, is nothing different. I just use two different cleansers. This one, I use the Cetaphil for a gentle cleanser. Because I wake up. And now, I'm trying to grow out my hair. I put a do-rag on my head. It just leaves those lines. And then there's like a big thing of like a ball sitting on my head. It looks like all my hair got like compressed into a do-rag. I don't like using this light. I like using this light. I have this light and it's like, but I don't like using this light because it makes it hot in here. To give me one of those tripods where you can stick to your mirror because I'm tired of bending down. I've been having so many issues with my computer because I used to edit on my phone. And editing on your phone versus editing on your computer is two completely different things. Just like, because it's like when you edit on your I'm trying to be more consistent, but how am I supposed to be consistent when you don't even post that much, really? But I just didn't really post that much. I just had to be doing stuff to make a video entertaining, like going out, or I feel like I had to get out the house. And I remember one time I watched the video, because I don't watch YouTube as much as I used to anymore, video. Simon Williams. Like watching, right? I really sat here and thought, I'm like, I just watched a whole entire video and he didn't even leave the house. But we're gonna watch the cleanser, right? Then cleansing. I go in with a toner. I use this hydrating mist toner. I like this better than the ones you gotta put on the pads and dab and stuff. I get this one from Sprouts. Yeah, I just spray it on my face. How it's supposed to make your shrink your pores or something. I really don't know what this really does, to be honest, but everybody say cleanse, tone, moisturize, and sunscreen. So this niacinamide, my friend put me onto this. It's supposed to help you with your pores, texture, and I started using this. I got this in March and I definitely see some improvements. I think that's what was really going on. My skin was very texturized and I wasn't treating it anyway. But I use this niacinamide right here by the Good Molecules. I put this on my back and shoulders and everywhere too. But I do that at night time when I take my shower. Or whenever we're not taking a shower. But I just put this on my face like that. And it works really good for my skin. I like to keep my skincare very minimum as possible. You just don't want to do too much on my skin. Just imagine you wake up, the part is on your skin, you go to sleep, the part is on your skin. When is your skin actually breathing? I don't know, don't really take any skincare advice from me because like I just told you, I don't even know what toner is used for. So after I use the niacinamide, go in with this Aquaphor, the healing ointment. I know they have different type of Aquaphors, like for different type of things. I've been using different moisturizers on my face. I used to use this one right here. It did the job, but it kept it moisturized, but I did notice 30 minutes my skin just felt dry. The niacinamide and the Aquaphor, I'm telling you, bro. Okay, so after the Aquaphor is 56. So I went on Instagram the other day, right? And I saw this video on Instagram. I'm making this honey lemon chicken. The only reason why I want to make it just because I have every ingredient he has. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make it for my family tonight. It looks really good. Okay, I have to go get ready. This is why I'm always late, because I just talk. And this is why my videos will be 3 hours long, and you'd be like thinking, does he ever film a long video? Because every video that I post is never above 20 minutes. It's always like 4. That's what I'm saying. I keep talking. I gotta go. Yeah, they have it on YouTube.
Just that part?
Yeah, and it just keeps replaying. That's why I be listening to. Really parked in the. Oh my. No, I said I got this shirt 3 years ago. It has my card number and it has my.
What? Cutting the sleeve.
And then it'd be like a little muscle tee.
Okay. Oh, like cutting it like you know.
And it kind of like goes all the way to my
Like yeah. Okay, yeah. You should do that.
I should like.
That's a. Yeah, you can do it to both. Seeing the blue look better.
Oh,
like, I can see the vision more with the blue.
You know what they look like. Okay, I'm not. You look them up. This shirt's more like a vintage old. Like. We only have 40 and 43. So the next size is 36. I want to get one of these. These are nice. Yeah. That's like something. Like I'm not that big. Guess this is what I have to do. But I don't know. Cause I can put some pickles and tomatoes. Add more. Renee, some of these are good enough.
Huh?
Some of these are good enough. They're spicy enough.
Some of them aren't.
No, I said tell me if they're good enough.
Oh, okay.
Should I get eggs? I don't know. And it's one couple, the energy. You can just tell when someone's racist, like the energy they project and stuff.
Yes. And why they stop talking when they turned around?
Right. Cause okay, so should I get eggs? But they're trying to say like cholesterol is good for you and stuff. But then they're saying that they can cause you cancer because of.
You eat it with cinnamon and brown sugar and stuff?
Every day with fruit and stuff.
But it's good for you. Just mix it up. You can do that every.
Because this one's better for you. Well, it's just better whole ingredients.
This one's good. I'll eat that.
Pomegranate and mango. 8 versus 12.
Please begin scanning.
It's right there. It's on the tip.
3. Follow the instructions on the pin pad. Thank you for...
Renee parking in the employees of the month parking spot, and she don't even work here. Wow. But I got the cargo pins. The last ones I got was the green ones. I got these. Ever since I got these, I got a lot of compliments on these. But I'm just gonna try these on just to see. I'm a 32 by 34, but I had to get the 36 by 34, which is 4 more sizes bigger. Excuse my mirror. My mirror is filthy, but really loose around the belt area. Yeah, I just got the same green ones. They fit fine, like they're not too baggy, but I kind of do prefer this more baggier fit, so I'm not mad. For $12, they were on sale and I didn't even know. The same one in these black ones, which I think we just go crazy. This is how the black ones fit. I got these shirts. I think I saw ones at Costco. I got these shirts, right? These look nice. They're just these normal t-shirts. I was thinking about cutting them down more, you know, cutting the arms of course, but like cutting them down to the side, like expose my ribs. But to be honest, I'm not really good at stuff like that. Like I don't think I could really do that, and I don't really want to mess it up. I kind of want to try it on just to see how it looks with the sleeves. Because to be honest, it may look good with the sleeves. I don't a good shape. It does the job, but my intention was to cut it. I just get that arm piece right here. I just get what. Okay. See? It looks like it's been. I don't know if I can see. Look. You see how this hole, this side, like, and this side. How do I mess up that bad? And I'm thinking, should I just get a new shirt? Or unless I do the other side like that, it could be for like back day. Okay guys, so I just cut it in the back just a little bit more. But I try to see. I kind of, this one is definitely way bigger. I think I gotta expose the back more this side. I think I need to get a new shirt. So we're gonna cut this one. But this time, I'm gonna know how to cut it for real. I don't know why I try to cut it standing up. It's dumb. I like this one. This one is really fitted nice. I think I'm gonna cut it more where it, like right here. I kinda want to show my shoulders more. It's 3:39 and I'm thinking, do I wanna start cooking? You know, the yogurt that I got from the store is oozing right now. Do you see that? Right now I'm just cooking the chicken. Mango drinks right here from Costco's, and they just exploded. So the rice is not finished. But you just use this vinegar, and then I just pour it into the pour too much. One of my bad things I feel like that I do a lot is that I'll be explaining the story. I feel like my videos are so much shorter because I don't really talk a whole much. And just because sometimes I'll be explaining a story or I'll be explaining something and I'll immediately just shut up because I feel like no one cares. Like one time, seven for me, that's extra chicken. Okay, so we got 7 in here. What it looks like. We're gonna let it marinate for at least 10 minutes. You guys won't really be able to see me on this portion right now. I already got my pots cooking. I already got the stuff cooking. I already got my chicken, vegetables.
Honey lemon chicken. Only 400 calories and so easy to meal prep. Add soy sauce, pepper, and lemon juice. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Nothing. Add high sensitivity.
So basically all you do is you just add some soy sauce, which we got right here. You just add all your other seasonings. So yes. Oh, another one. There you go. Just some soy sauce, pepper. But the guy didn't say add cayenne pepper. So, whoo! Just add our lemon. I'm gonna just let this cook for a little bit. We need to cut up these. I'm gonna wash these off first. Okay, so I just cut the... I can't take myself seriously with this bunion on. feel like a chef now. I'm gonna let the onions and bell peppers cook for like at least 5 to 10 minutes before I want to add on my rice. Hey Siri. Some soy sauce. I'm gonna add some honey. What I like to do, oh my camera's spinning back. What I like to do is go in with this sauce right here. Anything Chinese related, I put it on my food like camera because it's finna die. We add something to the rice and then you're basically done. It was kind of hard to get the chicken to look like this. Put the chicken in here like that. Honey, chicken, onions, bell peppers. I'm gonna do a taste test just to see if it's good. I hope it is, because if it's not, I'm gonna be kind of mad. I like it. You can definitely taste the lemon though. Yep. Yeah, that's good. Now, that's dinner. Yeah, I did that. This is gonna be my meal prep for the next 4 days. Just came back. Well, I made food. Well, I meal prep basically, and I have to get ready and pack and go somewhere. When I went back into Target, I did pick up a few more things before I left my trip. Some beef jerky. These are like some big peas. They're high protein peas, and they're sriracha. Picked up gummy bears. Fruit ones. I like these because they have little juices inside. It's like a healthier version of some gushers, basically. And I just picked up another book. It's called The Secret History. Basically, it's about a professor in New England, and some kids get in the way of his personal life, and it just goes downhill from there. It's pretty interesting. I wanted some more interesting books because I did get these 2 books right here. I already showed you guys, but Power of Positive Thinking, Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. I like this book so far. It really goes into depth of, only on chapter 2 because I just got it, but I like how he kind of goes into depth of what the chapters are going to bring. It's just like quantum physics, and he's talking about the vibration and the way you think of the vibration and your subconscious and your conscious thoughts and stuff like that. Another one, and I think this book is going to be really good. It's called Sandra Brown. I think this book is going to be really good. It's called Sandra Brown. Basically, it's a novel. It's a lot. A lot goes on into this. I think this is a murder mystery book, but I'm not sure. It looked pretty interesting. I just wanted some more entertainment books. Just, you know, just because, just to keep myself entertained. I got this light, LED light lead thing. I never used nothing like this before. I guess you charge it. I thought you had to charge it as you're using it, and I was like, and then like it kind of just folds. Oh, that thing bright. I don't have it in the car with me, but that thing is bright. It's with a charger, which is good. I guess a USB-C. I don't know what's the point of making these small chargers. I just never really understand or grasp the concept of it. I guess I get it. You know, what's to just give people just like a full-length charger, but I got 2 settings. It works though. I got it for Target for like $15. It works. This neck rest pillow, and then last, I just got the tips. I just gotta get packing because we leave at 2 a.m. It's now 12:21. So I'm gonna get ready and go. From the bookstore. Came back just like out shopping and stuff. And y'all see this what I'm talking about, right? I've been thinking about adding a TV right here to mount, but I don't know if I want to do that yet because I want to paint my room a different color. Because I've been having the same color since I was a baby. But I have some packages. A store called Pop Shelf. Oh, Pop Shelf, my bad. It's basically like a 5 and below. I would say for adults, but it's just more like a little Dollar General, to be honest. They have a little bit of everything: hair care, body care, face stuff, food, stuff like that. These lights, that's what I'm putting in my closet. LED touch light bars. I'm gonna try these on today and see how they work. Hopefully they work good. I got 2 of these, and then I got these highlighting erasers. I didn't even come there to go get some. I went to that store just to get some like light stuff for my, and I thought it would be a good way to like highlight stuff in my books and stuff like that. You were born and over again. It's a bad habit for real. But I just got this book, Not So Perfect Strangers. It's basically about a murder, not really murder mystery, but 2 women are in an abusive relationship. They help each other, and like that's when it like all goes down. The author is Black. That's kind of why I really wanted to get support. And then I got this other book, what is this called? The Appeal. I've heard a lot about this in the book community. I'm on book TikTok now, so I've been hearing a lot about this book. It's mainly about a local theater group. Got an Amazon package. I don't play a book right now. I got another bookmark. At the center of you being, you have the answers, you know who you are and what you want. It's just a bookmark. More bookmarks too. I plan on reading like multiple books at a time. Like 3 or 4 books at a time. I got another book one. I thought it was pretty cool. It was like a Statue of Liberty. And then for Amazon, I got this, what would you call this? Like a starlight projector. I'm trying to like spice up my room and add more lights since I don't have any working LED lights right now. This is how it looks like. I think you have to plug it up. So guys, I finally figured it out. You have to plug it in, and then put batteries in the remote. As you can see, I kind of got some of it on. See, this is how it looks like, right? Let me just show you guys. Like, my thing is, I don't know, like I don't want it hitting the wall, but I don't know. I want it to be more on my ceiling. You know what I'm saying? I got like parts over here that's not hitting. So I kind of want it to be all over. I don't like it just like, let me see if I can like change the scenery. Put it right here. This. Like it's barely getting any of the, like the ceiling. I'm trying like this. Unless, yeah. The way I'm gonna read 8 books a day, bro, like, I don't know. This is definitely something I wanted. You can change the colors, bro. Everything red, green, fade. Oh, this is nice. Like, this is nice. I kind of want to order some more. That was nice. I mean, it looks better in person than it does on LED light strips that I got from Pop Shelf. So this is my closet, right? Stacking up on some more shoes, but then like I was thinking about having a whole like shoe collection because I have like some shoes up there, if y'all can see. I kind of stopped low-key just because sooner or later I'm gonna realize that this is all just a waste of money and I can use that money to go to something better, which is not bad. I don't really, like personally for me, I just thought I'm gonna look down and be like, dang, I could spend this money on something else. Something more productive. They're battery operated. I wanna put the battery in here first. Oh, these are all the batteries. I gotta go get some batteries. I'll be back. I have this yellow. Okay, this is really like, alright, how do you turn off? Oh, you gotta push it in. Just take these off. I kind of want to get someone where you walked in, but then sometimes I don't want that. Like, I think that's the ones I used to have. Like, you walk in and the lights turned on. It's convenient, but like when you wake up early in the morning, you don't really want a bright light. You just take these sticky stuff off. My only thing is if I need new batteries, will the stickiness still be there if I take them off to check? I think that's we just have to find that out. But right. I think I should push it up a little bit more because that's you still can't see nothing. Hold on. Dang, that's stuck. Lord. Oh shoot. I really don't want it to be seen. So I may just put it right. Okay. Corner right here. Just in this corner. I think it's pretty neat. And you save money on light bills, so hey. What is up, guys? I hope today's video. That book, am I slow? What? No way. Oh, here we go. I finished it. I give this a 3. It's boring me a little bit. The book I'm reading is called The Housemaid. I like it so far. I only read 1 chapter. I'm almost done with the, I can't get it, it's too tall. It's called Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. I only have 50 more pages to go. My book collection is starting off small, but we're gonna get there. I wanna get like all the way down there. I have like a bookcase bed thing going on right here. And I wanna just have the whole thing filled with books. I feel like I can finish this book in 1 day. No, 2 days. I can finish this book in 2 days. It's only 300 pages. The other one was like 400. Saucia. Probably the big burrito. I get it on the border. Double rice, and then I get these 2 big burritos. Like this one right here, this is just a whole burrito. Plus, they gave me like a little side. I'm watching Shadow Bones right now because I'm thinking about getting the book series. So I'm just trying to watch it, the TV show, to see if I'm interested of getting the book series. And so far I like it. If I know it has a series, I'm buying the whole entire series. Now I'll see you guys in my next